We got a helicopter. Oh, there it is right there. We got a helicopter. Haven't had one of those in a while. But we do have one. There it is. It's gone out of sight. Yeah, it got gray out all of a sudden. A couple spaces with blue, but a lot less than what I expected. Look at these. Look at these. I don't know. They're blue. They're blue. Oh, that's right. I have a ear nipple in my pocket that might have been dropped from my. Yeah, this is the one that was dropped from my left ear of my wired earphones for my MP3 player, and found it in the garage today. Been gone for about 2 weeks. I'm glad it was in the garage. I could have missed it. I could have missed it. Hang on, we're gonna put it right there. Yeah, we're not gonna check. Well, maybe we will check. Let me see what we got here. Where are these head? There them are. See, this one over here is not black. That's a little bit smaller. That's the one. Oh, baby. Perfect. No metal. Just earbud stuff.